The iPhone 17 Pro, released in September 2025, represents Apple's latest flagship smartphone, with a focus on computational photography and pro-level video tools, integrating a versatile triple-camera system into a pocketable device. In contrast, the Canon EOS Rebel TRI, also known as the EOS 850D, launched in 2020, is an entry-level DSLR camera designed for beginners and enthusiasts, emphasizing interchangeable lenses and traditional optical viewfinder shooting. This comparison evaluates them across key categories for photography and videography, assuming a general user interested in both stills and video. While the iPhone excels in convenience and AI-driven features, the Canon offers expandability and raw sensor performance for dedicated setups. 1. Portability and design. The iPhone 17 Pro is the clear winner for on-the-go use. At just 210 GB and smartphone thin, it's designed to fit in your pocket, with IP68 water layer dust resistance and a titanium frame for durability. The seamless integration with iOS means instant sharing, editing in apps like Photos or Final Cut, and always-ready shooting without swapping gear. The Canon's DSLR form factor, 515G body alone, makes it bulkier and less discreet, ideal for a camera bag but cumbersome for daily carry. Its vari-angle touchscreen aids vlogging, but the fixed optical viewfinder feels dated compared to the iPhone's edge-to-edge OLED display with always-on HDR. Edge, iPhone for everyday portability. 2. Sensor and image quality. There's iPhone's 48-megapixel sensors, all 3 rear cameras, deliver higher resolution than the Canon's 24-megapixel APS-C chip, enabling detailed crops and 48-megapixel HEIF JPEG outputs. Apple's Photonic Engine and Deep Fusion use AI to enhance dynamic range, low-light noise reduction, and color accuracy, often outperforming DSLRs in computational scenarios like night mode or Smart HDR5. The APS-C sensor in the T8i provides a larger physical size for better light gathering and shallower depth of field naturally, with less reliance on software. In RAW, ProRAW versus Canon's CR3, the Canon edges out in highlight recovery and lens-corrected files, but the iPhone's 100% focus pixels ensure sharper results across the frame. Real-world tests show the iPhone matching or exceeding the THI in most casual scenarios, especially portraits with next-gen focus bokeh. Edge, tie, iPhone for processed versatility, Canon for raw sensor fidelity. 3. Lens options and optics. This is where the Canon shines. Its EFFS mount supports hundreds of lenses from ultra-wide primes to telephoto zooms, allowing creative control over focal lengths, e.g., add a 50mm f1.8 for 120 FOVs. The kit, 1855mm, offers decent sharpness but variable aperture. f3.5 with 5.6 limits low-light performance. The iPhone's fixed triple lens array provides 0.5x to 5x optical zoom, up to 8x TLE via tetraprism, with macro at 2.7 and lens corrections on ultra-wide. No swaps needed, but you're locked into Apple's optics. Excellent sapphire-covered glass, but no ultra-fast primes. For zoom-heavy work, the iPhone 6 optical quality range rivals a basic Canon telephoto setup. Edge, Canon for expandability. 4. Autofocus and shooting performance. Both excel in their domains. The iPhone's phase detect system covers the entire sensor, tracking subjects like eyes or vehicles in real time, even in video, with minimal hunting. Burst mode hits 10 FPS for action. The T8i's 45 cross-type points are reliable through the optical viewfinder for sports/wildlife. And dual-pixel AF in live view adds eye detection for smoother video transitions. However, it's slower at 7 fps and lacks the iPhone's AI predictions for erratic motion. In low light, the iPhone's computation pulls ahead. Edge, iPhone for speed and reliability in dynamic scenes. 5. Video capabilities. The iPhone dominates here as a pro video tool. It records 4K Dolby Vision at 120 fps, ProRes RAW for post-production flexibility and cinematic mode, auto rack focus up to 4K 30p. Features like action mode, stabilize hyperlapse, spatial video for Vision Pro, and Academy color encoding make it filmmaker friendly with the 4 studio mics and wind reduction. The T8i tops at 4K 24p with 1.66 crop and 1080 60p, suitable for beginners but lacking advanced stabilization or log profiles, plus no headphone jack for monitoring. Edge, iPhone by a wide margin for modern video workflows. 6. Battery life and storage. The iPhone's integrated battery lasts a full day of mixed use, up to 29 hours video, with MagSafe wireless charging but fixed storage up to 1 terabyte means planning ahead. The T8i's LPE17 battery yields 800 shots via viewfinder, less in live view video, and SD cards allow cheap expansion. For long shoots, the Canon swappability wins, but the iPhone's efficiency suits mobile creators. Edge, Canon for extended sessions. 7. Additional features and ecosystem. The iPhone integrates seamlessly with Apple's ecosystem. Edit in Lightroom on iPad, share to social via AirDrop, or use LiDAR for AR measurements. It includes panorama, 63 massage, an emoji, and photographic styles for quick edits. The T8i offers built-in Wi-Fi Bluetooth for remote control via Canon app, HDR mode, and multiple aspect ratios. But its menu is clunkier without iOS polish. No weather sealing on either, though the iPhone's IP68 adds minor protection. Edge, iPhone for user-friendly integration. 8. Price and value. At $1,099, the iPhone 17 Pro is a premium all-in-one device. Phone plus camera. But its value compounds with computing power. The T8i at $749 body only is a budget entry to interchangeable lens photography. Add lenses for under $1,000 total. Long-term, Canon's used market is robust, while iPhones depreciate faster. Edge, Canon for pure camera value. Which one is the best choice? The iPhone 17 Pro is the best overall choice for most users in 2085. Its superior video tools, computational smarts, and unmatched portability make it ideal for casual photographers, vloggers, and social media creators who want pro results without lugging gear. Unless you're deeply invested in lens experimentation or need the larger APS-C sensor for print/low-light purism, the iPhone's convenience and future-proof features, like spatial capture, outweigh the Canon's strengths. If your focus is traditional stills photography on a budget, go for the T8i. It's still a solid DSLR for learning the craft. Ultimately, test both. The iPhone for spontaneity, the Canon for control.